you a guide today showing you some interesting stuff here in Australia. On the left, you'll see the house of Mr. Skase. There. On the right is where he used to live. And the house behind that is where this chick that works at the pub lives. And over there is me dad's barbecue shop.
This is Big Bertha. She'll barbecue a cow on the hoof if you wanted it, Ted.
This is a deli.
Oh, deli.
Yeah, and this is what we eat. It's called a potato chip, but it tastes like a chicken.
Please to taste one?
No, that's not possible. We have to be married before you can take my chip.
Oh, I'll give you this awful chip.
And do you, Noriaki, take Paul to be your...
Smiths! They're too good.
Danone flavoured yogurts.
How's it going? Bet you haven't seen a dinosaur before, 'cause we're history, pal. We've been out of circulation for more than 65 million years. But now we're back, and we're coming to Dublin Zoo in a huge exhibition of moving dinosaurs. One as big as a double-decker bus that roar like this. I'm sorry, Head, but that's what dinosaurs do. See you at the zoo.
Enormous guts, dinosaurs. You can't argue with this swashbuckler. Forming the democracy of it. Huzzah! A grand gestural mistral of floating... A new pair of trousers every 3 years. Well... Ich bin gorgeous Gonzo.
Mere whimper of wrath. Don't make a performance out of it. Come to an Oddbins free wine tasting any Saturday, where the only mouthful you'll get is great wine.
Oh, you brute.
Hey, it's Applejack here, and this just in on the satellite. It's an imperfect world. There will be school today.
And you do look like your sister.
Sounds like you could use Kellogg's Applejacks. You know, the taste that makes everything rosy.
Yeah.
Now, doesn't that crunchy, happily Applejacks taste make life sweet?
Who knows?
You could even be awake when they pop that quiz on you later. Till then, this is a wrap from me, Applejack. A rosy part of this complete breakfast.
Hey, baby, check it out. Oh, my. That's very nice, but I wanted a Bud Light.
If you want the one light that outshines them all, ask for Bud Light.
Hurry, baby.
Bud Light, because everything else is just a light.